It can be hard to know if online coaching is right for you, is it worth it, and how does it actually work? I am here to answer those questions, show you how I work with my clients, and why online coaching is the best decision you'll ever make. So here we have one of my online clients. She is working on her press to handstand and her first pull-up. Each program for my one-on-one clients is specifically designed and catered to what they need as an individual. Some of my clients come to me with a yoga background, so we might put more emphasis on the specific strength needed for handstand training. Other clients might come to me with a CrossFit or bodybuilding background, so we might work more mobility depending on what their goals are. How the online coaching works is that each week my client logs her last workout of the week and films a video for me to send her coaching video feedback on. I record my screen so I can give her feedback on her specific form. You can see that I give her each set, reps, and exactly what to do for her workout. Another really cool feature of this app is it keeps track of your videos and your history. So you can see here my client is performing a 30-second handstand hold, but if we go back and view the exercise history when we started to work together, you can scroll all the way down to the beginning and you can see her first attempts at her handstand kick up. Every week you have a check-in, so you get to tell me how your week was. Maybe you had family over and it was a very stressful week and you weren't able to train as much, or maybe you had an amazing week with a bunch of weekly wins that you get to show me and tell me about in the weekly win feature. After I review all of your videos with a screen recording, coaching you through your movements and how to correct your technique and adjust your following week's program, I send you a video feedback each week. You will also have my app right on your phone to view your workouts with demo videos for each exercise. So there's no downloading a PDF or taking your laptop to the gym or having to Google what the exercise is. You can simply view the demo videos and get started right on your workouts. Plus, there is direct messaging right on the app, so you can message me anytime with questions or changes that come up. It makes it very easy for us to stay connected and for your coaching to run smoothly and consistently. So if you are ready to take your training seriously, then fill out the form and let's get you started.